Guys, thank you. Today we have got 10,000 subscribers. That might not sound a big amount, but to us, without your support, we wouldn't have a channel. Simple as that. So from me, Shay, we want to really personally thank you. Wherever you're from, whatever the reason for your subscribing, thank you. And on that note, let's eat. Today I'm going to try something that a little bit different. Never had it before. It's actually from America. Allegedly, I can't quite believe what I'm about to eat because it's quite weird. I know I've had bugs, I've had all kinds of weird stuff, but I've never had this. This apparently is Elvis Presley's favourite meal. We have peanut butter and we have streaky bacon. The question is, does it go together? Now I don't know. I've never done it before. But if the stories are true, it's good enough for Elvis Presley. And if it's good enough for Elvis Presley, then it's good enough for me. A lot of people don't know this, but Elvis Presley helped me in my relationship with my wife. Because I'm an old soul. I like old classical music. And when I say old, I mean like from the 60s. Sometimes from the 70s. Sometimes from the 80s. I'm not a modern person. I don't have a modern phone. I barely use the internet very well. Any of my editing is done by my beautiful wife. So I like old music. And one of the people I like is Elvis Presley. And the great thing with Elvis Presley, he has a song, Suspicious Minds. You know the one, how it goes? They caught in a trap. Come walk out, because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know it? Caught in a trap. Anyway guys, enough singing badly, enough talking. Let's try. Visually, I'm confused, but taste-wise, it's really nice. Very different. Yep. You can taste the two flavours, the salt and the mild sort of nutty, well, it's quite sweet, the peanut, so I guess the sweet and the salty, it goes together. That's delicious. I'd have this again. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've had this, or there's another combination of food from your country that you might think is a bit weird to the foreigner. Let me know in the comments and I'll give it a go, because as you've seen from my videos, I'm pretty much going to eat anything as long as it's not endangered. Alright guys, give me your likes, give me a subscribe and give me your comments, and thank you for the support.